We specialize in creating high converting web pages for industries around the world. And one of the newest and greatest superpowers is QualityHive. QualityHive allows us to create live notes during our audits, and we are able to task those notes directly to the departments that are in charge of them. Something we struggled with initially was that once the audit was complete and the changes went live, we needed ongoing feedback and suggestions about potential changes we could implement into things for A/B testing and for landing pages. With QualityHive, those issues are a thing of the past. The reason we originally chose QualityHive was the simplicity of the interface. We needed something that wouldn't require a lot of training, and if we handed it over to the client for the client to give us feedback, we needed it to be something that was intuitive, easy to use, and tasks and feedback could be given within a couple clicks. From a management perspective, the dashboard is as simple as it gets for what we need. As tasks are created, they're assigned, and I have an overview of what tasks need to be done, what are currently being worked on, and I can see priorities and at least be able to get a better understanding of our timelines. The time we've saved on not only sorting and assigning requests, but with keeping track of all the ongoing projects is insane. I don't know how we survived without it, but it is something we use daily, and it's something that we will continue to use for as long as we're around.